Hello guys and welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you how do you make a Snapchat group chat. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So for this tutorial I'll be using an iPhone and I'm gonna open up my Snapchat app. And once you open your Snapchat app, what you want to do is you want to scroll to the chat side, and now on the bottom right you see this button that says that's kind of looking like a new message. You're gonna hit that, and now you're gonna add some friends. And now you can you can add a group name, new group, and now you can press done and press chat with group, and now you have a group created. And now when I send a message, it's gonna go to both of the people that I just added into this group. And once someone sees the message, their bitmoji is gonna pop up on the bottom right next to their name, and you both can, all three of you can interact in any way. You can send snaps whatever you want. So that is how groups work on Snapchat. So that is pretty much all from this video. I hope this video is helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys.